Welcome to Nuva, India's most trusted women's entrepreneurship movement where innovation meets empowerment. Join us as we explore the world of beauty and wellness. Dive into our new skin product tutorials with the Nuva School of Beauty and Wellness. In this tutorial video, discover the magic of Serenu Professional LumiSpa IO Cleanser, designed to elevate your skincare routine. Introducing the Serenu Professional LumiSpa IO, paired with the Serenu Professional LumiSpa Cleanser, a new professional-grade cleansing ritual designed to elevate your daily skincare routine. Fall in love with the LumiSpa IO for its ability to deliver smooth, soft skin through deep cleansing with comfort. Achieve hydration balance while being microbiome-friendly, ensuring your skin's health and vitality. Discover what sets LumiSpa IO apart with its micropulse oscillation and soft silicone head. It respects your skin's pH and protects the moisture barrier, offering a unique and effective skincare solution. The Serenu Cleanser is powered by the Hydra Shield Complex, hibiscus extract, laminaria extract, and prebiotic alpha-glucan. These ingredients work together to nourish and protect your skin, providing a gentle yet effective cleanse. Start your skincare routine with the perfect first step, the Serenu Cleanser. It offers a gentle yet thorough cleanse, cushions and hydrates, and removes impurities, forming the core of the Serenu Pro system. The LumiSpa IO and Serenu Cleanser are ideal for anyone seeking professional skincare. Perfect for daily cleansing of the face, neck, and décolleté, it caters to all skin types and needs. Enjoy the longevity of the LumiSpa IO, with a head lasting approximately 180 treatments and up to 50 sessions per charge. Its waterproof design makes it perfect for shower use. While many cleansers can be used, only the Serenu Professional LumiSpa Cleanser is specifically tested and optimized for the LumiSpa IO. This ensures ideal glide, microbiome support, and the best results. For complete results, pair LumiSpa IO with the Serenu Professional Toner, Serum, Gel Cream, and the Galvanic Spa. Together they create a powerful, professional quality skincare system. LumiSpa IO removes makeup effectively, though heavy makeup may need a double cleanse. It's fully shower safe, and gentle enough for daily use on the face, neck, and décolleté. The Serenu Cleanser includes essential ceramides, panthenol, sodium hyaluronate, soothing botanical extracts, and a prebiotic complex. Together, these ingredients nourish, hydrate, and support the skin barrier. LumiSpa IO delivers smoothness, suppleness, and complete balance every day. Experience professional precision and radiant skin with the Serenu Professional LumiSpa IO system. Let's now learn how to use it in the correct manner to have the maximum impact.
Step 1. This is where we're preparing the skin. Begin by moistening your client's face with water. Apply an ample amount of Serenu Professional LumiSpa IO Cleanser evenly across the face, avoiding the eyes and lips. In step 2, we will begin the LumiSpa IO treatment. Wet the treatment head with water. Press the power button to activate the device. Using slow, broad strokes, gently glide the treatment head back and forth over the treatment area. Avoid scrubbing or applying excessive pressure. The device is designed to treat the face in 4 zones. The backlights will indicate the current zone. The device will pause briefly between zones, and the lights will move
Avoid direct contact with the eyes, and use a separate eye makeup remover. If irritation occurs, discontinue use. Always review ingredients if you have sensitivities.